This feeling is happy, makes my body aching. I'm ready to fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little chit chat. Get ready with me. I created this look right here, so if you would like to have a little chit chat and get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Speed on and jump right in and do my brows off camera just to save a little bit of time because I need to be extra focused to do these brows. So the products I'm using today is the 16 Brow Gel by INGLOT, and I'm taking a Morphe angle brush. I don't know what the name is anymore because it's scraped off, but yeah, it's a really nice tin angle brush. I have a full dedicated video on my channel on how to do my brows, so if you're interested then I'll leave that linked down. So I've been really wanting lately to use the mini masquerade by Juvia's, so I think I'm going to use that palette today to create whatever look comes into mind. I'm breaking the place up. I'm thinking of doing a spotlight eye or something, but look at these shades. Like, where could you go wrong? So for my transition shade then I'm going to take the shade Zulu. It's a really nice orangey brown. It's this one down here. I like to first like stamp all the colour on and then go in and blend it because it just gives you the most payoff possible. This is a really pretty shade. Now I'm just going to grab this fluffy brush and just go over that to blend everything out nice and softly. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ada. It's this one over here. It's a really nice browny red shade again, and I'm just going to build that up around my crease area. Because I want to go for the spotlight effect, I'm going to really focus the colour here in the centre. Make sure it's as pigmented as possible. So news, what news have I got for y'all today? It's my and Christian's anniversary on Friday. We're so excited. It's our 2-year anniversary. We're going to go down to Port Arlington, I think it is. Anyway, there's a nice place down there that has a really nice spa, and we've wanted to go there for so long, but we're just so busy that we haven't been able to, so we're going to go down there for the day on Friday. So follow my Snapchats and I'll be sure to post pictures of that place because I heard it's actually meant to be fantastic. Then later on we're going to go over to Carlo and have a few drinks and go for some dinner in one of my favourite restaurants, Bella Vita. Yeah, and then we're just going to relax because I don't get a lot of time off, and it's just nice to be able to just even spend time with each other. So we're so excited to do that. I also recently got offered a job in Dublin to be a makeup artist up there, but I'm really not in the place for that right now. I kind of enjoy what I'm doing. Like, I do the makeup and spray tans and the whole lot, but I'm also trying to get more courses and stuff done for like nails and hair and stuff because I'm into everything. And I also work another job in a restaurant, so it's really hard to like maneuver myself around or actually get time off for myself. I actually work 4 days in the restaurant and then the whole weekend doing makeup and hair and spray tans and the whole lot. So I decided to decline happily. I'm happy I got that job opportunity. It's just I'm not in the I'm just happy where I am now. I'm very busy, very happy, so I'm just going to stay that way for a while anyways. Yeah, like, don't get me wrong, I was really happy to be offered the job. It's just I actually prefer what I'm doing right now. I just like being able to be independent at the minute and be my own boss. It's just working out good, so there's no point in changing it right now, but I am very happy I got that job opportunity. Now to darken up the inner and outer corner, I'm going to mix the shade right here with this pinky shade up here. So I'm going to mix the both of them together just to make kind of a darker purpley pink, and just run that then on the outer and inner corner. Much to talk about. I'm too busy all the time to actually have stuff to talk about or fun things to do. I don't really get to do too much. Well, actually, I am planning on doing a brow course in February to do HD brows and such like that, because I'm into all that stuff. I'm into makeup, I'm into hair, I'm into every kind of source of beauty, so I'm going to do a bit of everything. I already have my gel polish course done, like shellac, but I want to do a gel nail course as well. So I'm just going to cut the crease. I'm going to take my CATRICE Camouflage concealer and a little flat top concealer brush and do my spotlight eye. I legit can't talk when I'm doing this. It's one of the hardest things to do because you need so much concentration. So there's just, like, no chance of me being able to have a conversation. Even doing this right now is like scaring me. Like, it's scaring me to say a few words. I'm going to go in with Dahlia and then I'm going to go in with Zola. So I'm going to put Zola in the very, very center and Dahlia on the outer portions. See how pigmented they are first with a dry brush, and then if I need to, I'm going to go and wet. Oh girl, she is pigmented. Nope, don't need to wet the brush. Now just flip the brush over and I'm going to take that greeny blue and pop that in the middle. That is unbelievable. Oh my god. I'm dying. I'm dying. Now to deepen up the inner and outer corner a little bit more, I'm going to go in with my 39A palette and take this shade right here called Forever. And I'm just going to run that in my inner and outer corner. So now that I have the top part of my eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation. Then I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation and mixing that with a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me, the lighter one, just to make this a bit lighter because it is in a tan shade, but I don't have tan on, so I'm going to try and make it as light as possible. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that all over my skin. It's going to be a bit darker for me anyway, but I do like to be a bit darker. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the Liquid Camouflage by CATRICE. It's one of my favourite concealers and it's literally fiber. Sometimes I like to use the 001 and that's good when I'm wearing like a lighter foundation because it's kind of pinky based. This is a little bit of a yellow base. I'm trying to think so hardly of what news I have, but I literally can't even think of any. But I'm definitely thinking about doing a giveaway soon. So make sure to be subscribed to this channel. Follow my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, and my Facebook because I don't know which social media I'm going to be putting it on. But it's coming soon. Huda Beauty foundation is going to be one of my favourite foundations ever. It's such good coverage. I need to get one for like when I'm not wearing tan though, because I just keep having to mix it and it's a pain in the ass. Like, can you see how good that concealer is? The bags under my eyes before this were like 2 shopping bags and now there's none. I'm going to highlight my inner corner now as well, and I'm going to go in and mix these 2 shades right here from the Morphe palette. I know this is like the saddest thing you've probably ever seen in your life. Yeah, so I'm going to mix the 2 of them and put them in my inner corner. That looks really nice contrasted against the blue as well. Really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead then and add 77 Gel Liner by INGLOT onto my waterline. And then I'm going to put all the colours I used above, down, below onto my lower lash line. Now to bronze up the face a little bit, I'm going to take Hoola Light by Benefit and go over my forehead, cheekbones, under the chin and the nose. I don't really like to harshly contour when I'm not like going out or something. So I'm just going to run this around my face. I haven't really got much more news for you other than the fact that I am strongly thinking about going to the P. Louise event in March. Like strongly thinking about going there. P. Louise is one of my favourite pages to actually watch and look at. If you don't know who P. Louise is, I will leave her Instagram name here. She's pretty amazing. Her and Stacey Marie are by far my favourite people to watch. She has her own academy in Manchester and she is now launching her palette and base in Ireland in March, so I'm so excited. I really want to go up. So I've just popped on some 63 lip liner by INGLOT. Then I'm going to pop on the Italian Collection HD Lip Tint in shade 48. It's a really nice nude. Highlight today as well, I'm actually going to go in with the INGLOT Body Sparkles. I actually don't know which number it is because the back is all scraped off, but it's super pretty, really champagne-y colour, and I'm just going to take that on a little dome brush. Are you ready? I've just finished the rest of my makeup. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I don't really have any more gossip or news to tell you, I don't think. So I'm just gonna leave this video as is. If you guys have any questions or are wondering what products I use, they'll all be linked onto my Instagram page. I'll leave my Instagram name down here and you can just go and follow me there. Don't forget as well, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so make sure to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, my Instagram and my Snapchat, and I shall have the giveaway started soon. So guys, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.